Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup WooCommerce invoices with plugin exports to PDF folders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To backup WooCommerce invoices using a plugin that exports to PDF folders, begin by ensuring you have the WooCommerce plugin installed on your WordPress. Next, select the right PDF invoicing plugin that suits your needs. Popular options include WooCommerce PDF invoices and packing slips or PDF invoice for WooCommerce. Install and activate your chosen plugin through the WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugin settings once it's activated. In the settings, you will need to configure the basic options for invoice generation, such as the invoice number format and company details. Make sure to set up the email settings to automatically send invoices to customers after purchase if required. Locate the section for choosing export paths. Typically, this option allows you to specify a folder on your server where PDF files will be stored. Select a directory that is easy to access, yet secure to prevent unauthorized access. Once the export path is set, save your changes. Now, proceed to generate PDF invoices manually for existing orders. Go to the WooCommerce Orders section in your WordPress dashboard. Select an order to view its details. Look for an option to generate a PDF invoice within the Order Action buttons. Click on it to download the invoice. Check the specified folder to ensure that the PDF invoice has been successfully exported. To automate this process for future orders, ensure that the auto-generate settings are enabled within your plugin settings. Various plugins allow for batch processing of existing orders, enabling you to generate invoices in bulk. Use this feature if your store has numerous orders needing backup. Periodically, review the PDF folder to keep your backup organized. Consider implementing a routine schedule for exporting and backing up these invoices to ensure data integrity. After you have confirmed that your backup strategy is in place, monitor for any updates to the plugin to maintain compatibility with WooCommerce. By following these steps, you can effectively backup WooCommerce invoices to PDF folders. This ensures the security and accessibility of your financial documents for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.